Hello, Team High Standards in Mathematics. So this is Mr. KDC. In today's video, I want to show you how to draw some diagrams, especially in additional mathematics, where we have some curves. Yeah. So usually you see curves. So this one is a curve that I've taken from one of the papers. Yeah. So a past paper like this one. Now I want to show you how exactly can you draw this curve. Yeah. Imagine you have this is your reference and you want to draw this diagram here. How do you do it in Microsoft Word? So when you look at it, some of you think, does ECZ has a special machine? Yes, that they do use to draw such diagrams. Well, they might have, but all I know is we can also use, as we don't have such machines, we can use the Microsoft Word to draw such a diagram. Now, let us see if we can draw such a diagram from ECZ. Okay, so you start, insert, then you get the arrow, you draw a straight diagram like that. So this is our reference, and then you have another point like that, another arrow. So since the arrows are this other type, you have to make sure that you have that type of an arrow as well. Okay, so that's our X and Y axis. Then we have this line. So this line passes there like that. So passes through the origin, and this line is called Y is equal to negative X. Okay, then we have this curve. So for us to draw this curve, this line is a little bit slanty like this. Okay. So to draw this curve, we pick this guy here, which is the curve. So you can start from anywhere where you think. Maybe I can start from there. So I can draw like that. Like that. Okay, maybe like that. Like that. Okay, I know why I'm drawing like this. Okay, I've observed that the x-axis is supposed to be here. Okay, then our x-axis here. Yes, like that. Okay, so I'm just doing a demonstration. Yeah, so that you know exactly how to draw. So from there, I'll edit this one. Yeah, so I'm just doing a demonstration, but if I was just to see it properly, this diagram will come exactly like this, the way this one is appearing. But you can see that my curve is almost like that one. So I can just make corrections like that and also make my curve look like that, or maybe like that. Okay. Also here, can do it like that. So I have done my curve like that. Now, how do we shade this one? So as I showed you, so you can enlarge this guy so that you can know how to shade. So enlarge it a bit so that it gives you a proper view of you, because remember we are using a free form. So for us to use a free form, we need to have a proper view of that graph. Okay, like that. Okay, I think it's okay now. So you go there and then you get on insert, you get the free form, and you can start anywhere. So you can start from there with your free form, there with your free form. So from there with your free form, as I said last time in the previous video, that whatever you do, make sure that you are always inside. Don't go outside. Okay, so I have this one. I'll follow the straight line. I'll follow the straight line. I'll follow the straight line. Okay. Oh, up to there. So now, if that is the case, then I'll do like this now. So I will have to edit all these points you are seeing so that I have a proper line. So I have to edit all these points you are seeing there so that the line is smooth and to the point. So I have to bring all these other points closer to the line, closer to the line, closer to the line. Yes, so as you see, as I delete the point, the line is each of the points, those small points, the black ones, the line is becoming smoother and smoother. And at the end, we'll have the required diagram. So it's a little bit involving, but at the end, what you get is something that is very good. Okay, so that's what we are going to. So we continue in that manner until the whole line becomes smooth. So we'll continue in this manner. Let me just do the line. Then the other parts, I'll show you what to do. The other parts, I'll show you what to do. I'll show you what to do. The other parts, I'll show you what to do. The parts, I'll show you what to do. Have you seen? So this line itself, as you keep on deleting these points, as we keep on deleting these points, okay, as we keep on deleting these points, so you find that you have a very smooth diagram. So you can also say no border. Okay, so from there now you do like this. You go on texture, more texture, and then you go on pattern. Then you choose the pattern that you want. Yes, you choose the pattern that you want, like that. So I've just done this one to show you that it's almost equal to that one. So now you can see that these lines are not seen. So you click on this one, then you come to bring text forward. Oh, sorry. Let's see what happens on. Click on that one, then you try on text. Try on where you want the lines, the x-axis to be seen there. So we do like that. Then you can change the thickness of the axis, maybe to there. You can change the thickness of the axis, maybe to 1 also. 1 is still small. Maybe you can put 1, yes. Then you can also change this thickness of that line to 1 as well. Then you can also change the thickness of that curve also to 1, like that. And you have your line. And then you do the labeling now. Labeling, I showed you how to label. We said that to label, you simply come here, you get your A. So that is the y-axis. We write our y like that. Now we write our y, make sure that it's always 12. And I like using y, times New Roman. And since there are axes, you put them in bold. Okay, then you drag it there. No fill, outline, no outline. Okay, then you have there. Then you copy the same, you paste it, and then you take it here where you have the x-axis. You have the x-axis there, x-axis. Then from there you copy this one, and then you bring it here where you have your curve, and your curve is equal to 2 minus x squared. So you highlight that and you come here, text, so that everything becomes normal. Okay, then but the x they are supposed to be in italics. So you also highlight the small x, you put it in italics like that. So the y also supposed to be in italics like that. So you bring back now to normal. Okay. Then again, after you are done with that, you come here, you put there, you say this one is x equal to negative x. Okay. So the y there is a small y, and the x there is italics. Then from there, we need to have our 0 there. So I'll put it exactly where I want it to be. I'll put it there. Where is it? Has disappeared. Okay. Can write it there. Okay. So that is how you draw the curves, which comes in additional mathematics. And there is our diagram. Then you can see that, as I said earlier, those spaces there, those are the one now which you need to delete and do all those things. And then you have your perfect diagram. Thank you very much, High Standard in Mathematics. Please share and also comment on our YouTube channel and subscribe so that each time we share a new video, you are notified. Thank you so much. High Standard in Mathematics.